So welcome to the new episode of Like Innovative. Today again back with a new topic. It is indoor garden with Wi-Fi system. Growing vegetables in the backyard is now an impossible dream for most of the urban Indians who live in cubby-hole apartments with little sunshine and ventilation. But many other people have a dream that they want to grow some plants or some vegetables or something in the backyard or front yard or in the house, however, but they don't have the opportunity. Why not to just grow the plants indoors? And to make our life easier, there are now indoor gardening systems available in the market. These new age gardens are usually fitting in the countertop of the house and can be tailored to your skills and experience as an amateur gardener. A normal and basic smart garden usually consists of the following things. Number 1. Pots pre-filled with soil and seed. The right type of soil and seed. Second, a self-watering vessel. Third, an LED lamp that works on a timer and a built-in Wi-Fi connection. What you need to do is just plant the pods in the container. Fill it with water and turn on the LED light. The LEDs are automatically regulated according to the plant you are growing. The Wi-Fi is not exactly necessary, but you can get help for checking the plant status. In that way, you can get to know your plant baby, what it is happening. Is it getting the right amount of light, water and nutrients? And if it needs extra care, you can do it too with your own phone. I am not here to say only the ordinary and basic things. I am here to say something extraordinary, and so I am not only with the basic smart garden. I am saying something more. A new gadget, which is Sprouts.io Smart Micro Garden, is there in the market. Its dimensions are 30.5 cm by 91.5 cm. Its weight is 5.5 kg only. It is there with an adjustable LED lamp, power cord and a hybrid hydroculture basin which is with sensor module. What makes Sprouts.io different from all the basic ones is that it can grow plants without soil. This micro farming has been developed by the grad students of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, US, and uses a hybrid hydroculture technology. It combines the two main types of plant watering: hydroponics, which involves submerging a plant's root, and aeroponics, which waters a plant through misting. Aeroponics nurtures your plant with a nutrient-rich mist. Its makers claim a reduction of 98% in water use and 60% in fertilizer use over conventional cultivation. The research was there for 3 years continuously, and they started in 2011 and they came to an end in 2019. They got the success. There was a consecutive research for 3 years, planning and all, in the MIT Media Lab. It started over there only and ended over there only. It is really a nice one. Its cost is $699, which accounts up to 48,615 rupees, Indian rupees. Is if it is costly, then more is one more is there, which is a little bit cheap from it. It is MiracleGro Aerogarden Bounty Elite, which is a nice better than it. You can grow up to 9 plants in this smart garden. The plants will love the 45 watts of high performance energy efficient LED lighting that changes color according to the need. The lights are tuned to the spectrum that allows plants to maximize photosynthesis, resulting in rapid growth and abundant harvest. With ideal lighting and optimal levels of water and nutrients, plants grow up to 5 times faster in this. The Bounty Elite Wi-Fi comes with a free Aerogarden app that provides prompts to guide you from the setup to harvest. To help you grow healthier gardens, it provides you with FAQs, gardening tips, and one-touch access to expert Aerogarden customer services specialists. Its price starts from $249 on Amazon, which accounts up to 17,312 rupees, Indian rupees. This was part 1 of the video where I told what it does actually. How it does is coming in the second part, where I will end the full video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and press the bell icon and many other things. Well, with this I end my video. Goodbye.